Using the size for Allen key, remove the two screws securing the front and rear of the optical path. Remove the top cover. Remove the side covers on both sides. Using the size for Allen key, remove the screw beneath the rear panel of the optical path. Remove the side screws using a size 3 Allen key. Remove the inner side screws using a size 3 Allen key. Move the laser source backwards. Disconnect the laser cable. Then use a screwdriver to loosen the power cable. The whole laser source can now be removed. Laser source installation. Install the new laser source along the optical path. Connect the laser signal cable, then attach the power cable, brown to red terminal, black to black terminal. Align the laser with the hole, and use a now 3 hexagonal tool to tighten the front and back screws in sequence without tightening. Laser adjustment. Loosen the studs on both ends of the 25-pin cable and disconnect the plug. Remove screws using a size 3 Allen key. Loosen the top screw to detach the galvo head. Peel off the laser light shielding paper. Gently push the laser forward until flush with the front. Activate the main switch, hose power button, and galvanometer button. Position the prepared thermal paper over the laser exit port and secure it. Trace the light aperture outline by hand. Launch the laser software. Click Draw Text, then click the blank area. Alter the text to 2 letters. Click Apply, and adjust the marking power on the software's red side to 30. Activate the laser button. Locate the foot switch. Pressing it once will emit a single pulse from the output port node. Do not stand directly in front of the output port. Adjust the laser's angle and test again, observing the beam state. Observe whether the black dot aligns with the center of the marked aperture outline. If positioned higher, raise the laser source from the rear. If lower, lower it from the front. For lateral deviation, adjust the red light mount. Shift left for left deviation, right for right deviation. Currently, the red light is slightly above and to the left of center. We should therefore adjust the laser source first. Observe the black dot position and adjust until it approaches the center. Tighten the perimeter fixing screws sequentially. After tightening the screws, we engrave to verify whether the black dot position has shifted. Using a size 3 Allen key, tighten the front and rear screws around the laser in sequence. Mark again and observe for lateral deviation. In the video, the deviation to the left of center requires adjustment of the red light mount. Loosen the 4 bottom screws of the red light mount using an Allen key. Mark first to observe the position. In the video, it deviates to the left of center. Use the Allen key to shift the red light mount as a whole towards the left. Select the clean area for another marking test. The position should now be largely centered. Tighten the 4 screws at the base of the red light mount. Conduct another test. Alignment should now be essentially centered. Close the software and switch off the laser and galvanometer buttons. Red light calibration. Reinstall the galvo head and secure screws without tightening. Locate suitable tools for horizontal adjustment of the galvo head. Tighten the rear screws of the galvo head. Reinsert the 25-pin connector and secure both side studs. Remove the tool after horizontal correction. Adjust lens height. Video shows 200 field lens focal length at 300. Adjust the focal height on the focus scale. 110 field lens focal length is 145. 140 field and 150 field lenses focal length is 200. Activate the galvo head and laser power switches. Launch the software. Click Draw Line to create a horizontal line. Select the line, set Y value to 0 and S value to 40. Click Apply, then place at origin. Similarly, draw a vertical line. Selected. Set X value to 0 and S value to 40. Click Apply, then place at origin. Take a cardboard box. The distance between the box and the lens corresponds to the focal length we just adjusted. Position it directly beneath the lens for marking. If the mark is faint, repeat the engraving several times until a crosshair is formed. We now need to adjust the red dot to the approximate center of this crosshair. Adjust the 4 screws and facet screws controlling the red dot until the red light aligns with the center of the crosshair. Once centered, tighten the screws. Reinscribe to verify centering. Secure the sealing nut tightly against the laser source to prevent dust ingress. Tighten the screws beneath the rear plate. Insert the side panels into their respective slots. Snap the top cover into the lower slots. Once latched, align with the front screw holes and fasten. Tighten the screws beneath the tailgate. Once all screws are in place, secure them firmly. Dual red light alignment. Activate the primary red light button when two dots appear below. Verify if they align with the central dot. If misaligned, adjust these two red light points until they coincide with the third central dot. Loosen this screw to move the red light spot, ensuring it aligns with the lower red dot while tightening the screw. After the red dots align, adjust the other red spot to match the remaining two red dots, completing the calibration.